Good morning, guys. Look at all these my tulips coming out here into the backyard of my garden. I'm pretty happy by watching this. It's really lovely because it used to be one piece of this about a couple years ago, and now it's getting a bit more multiply every year. Now I got about how many yellow tulips in here? I got 6 pieces of uh, yellow tulips in here and one red one. Used to be over 2 years ago, it's only one piece of yellow tulips in here, and now it's multiplying. So pretty happy, really, very happy about the tulip I had here into the backyard of my garden. And it's really a hardy plants as well, because I don't have to do anything about this, especially during the winter time. I mean, it just come out really nicely after springtime, or springtime to end of springtime, like that. And now it's very close about turning summertime now. I think it's already started summer in here now, and the tulip is all about come out now into the back, I mean, into the backyard of my garden. And it's really gorgeous and beautiful by watching this. I love all my plants, flowers around here at the backyard of my garden, and I expect I got more flowers here into the other corner of uh, my garden. It's more tulip around here, just about start coming out now. Look at that, this orange one. This is gorgeous and beautiful as well, really nice. And this is more other one over there. It's a single one, really gorgeous looking. Again, I got more tulip. The tulip that become out about over a week ago is already nearly over. So look at that, it's going down the petals. I mean, going down the ground now. It's nearly over. And this corner in here, this tulip just about high, coming out as well. Really gorgeous looking. I like this old red one. I expect this is really gorgeous and beautiful looking, and I love it. This is all about tulips around here. But very happy by watching all these kind of tulips that I had here. Like, yeah, those tulips in here, another red one. All the pink one. Wow, oh, poor things, is only one little pink one over there. It's pinky one. It's really nice. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Goodbye for now. Bye. Bye.